Based on our resources, we deploy to different provinces, taking into account the political forces in those provinces. We also look at the representativity of our sample. Then we deploy people. Of course, for these elections, we're very interested in places where high competition was expected. That's why we had team here in Gauteng, both Tshwane and Johannesburg. We also had team in Limpopo, in Western Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, and Mpumalanga as well. In our conclusion, we say the process was conducted with professionalism. They were very transparent and they tried to introduce reforms and so on. So for us, it's a step in the right direction. So it's above average. So we place them wherever we want.